unwrap the Beading School calendar for 2025 with me. These are great fun, and if you had one last year, then you'll know how good they are. So this is the 2025 calendar. If you can see all of it here. But it's lovely. It's smaller than last year. I'm just going to move this scrunchy paper. So it's a bit smaller than last year, but I actually think this is a much better size. It makes it great for putting on your fridge, on the wall, or on your desk. And let's have a look through and see some of the projects inside. So each month you're going to get a new project sent to your inbox with the instruction PDF to help you make this project. And there's one each month, and there's some really, really beautiful designs in here. And you'll also be able to buy the project packs from the website as well. And this one looks familiar. These is my Easter inspired earrings. They're made to look like little Easter eggs. So there you go, there's the big reveal. And of course you've got all your important dates for the month popped in already for you, so you don't miss your beading must-have visit things to do, like coffee time with Erica, and no one has to bead alone. So yeah, I'm really excited to have been included for another year in this amazing calendar. So you can get yours now. Make sure you don't miss out on these fabulous calendars that are available on Erica's website now.